So as I keep getting further away, you can see that this is how I'm recording everything. The Oribi A10 Plus, and it is a wide-angle Wi-Fi mini camera. It has that motion activation, night vision, all recording under 1080. Nice soft rubber feel to it. On the left side we have on and off, LED indicators, and the mode selection. We have the micro SD card slot. We have the micro USB charging port. Now what else do we get inside here? The user manual, of course. This is the USB to micro USB. You see it stays into place however you hold it. And then you have another micro USB cable. That's much longer. Alright, and the next thing we have a prop. So we can put this onto like a dash cam, or you put it on a corner of a wall and let it do its thing. I just pressed the on and off button really instantly. It turns on. Just one touch will turn it on. You can see the LEDs. And then you do have a metal plate, so then you have a different spot you want to place this on, and obviously this will stick right to that with this little metal piece. So you don't even need to have just this, you can do a lot of different metal surfaces. Let's say this Ninja Star is a pole out on the sidewalk, and you put that on there. You can see that now you have a video camera to put on. Look at the look of this. Anyways, you can see that it works on any metal surface. This will work the same way on Android. This is the Google Pixel. Here's the iPhone X. So now this camera is going to be ready to view. Even though I do not have a micro SD card in here, I can still use it and record everything off the phone display. So as I keep getting further away, you can see that this is how I'm recording everything. You can see myself. It's a really wide angle too. So that is really impressive. You can see the lighting. It's a lot dark in here, but we're gonna go outside and test some too. Just by looking at it from the phone here, you can see how responsive. My PC is pretty quiet down there. I built that. I am finishing a video that's overdue. But you can see it looks really nice. Let's move over on this side. There's my other stuff over there. Get a little bit closer and then get all the way back. There's my ceiling. This is a really impressive camera. I'm going already in the 360. All I'm doing is just twisting this way. It's probably gonna make some people dizzy if they're looking at it that way. Now the very top portion is right here. So that's how you're gonna know if you're up straight. Obviously here you'll be able to see the viewfinder. So you can position how you wanna lay this at. And once you stick this onto something like this, it does become easier to maneuver, as you can see there. This is definitely a wide angle. I like it a lot. What do you guys think? Now, of course, I do not know how the battery is going to last. If you're going to be using it through Wi-Fi, it has to use a lot more battery juice. So as you can see right now, I'm actually going to take this outside and see how far I can go before it disconnects. So I'm going to have to hold it this way. And as I back up, we'll be able to hear what the microphone sounds like. Again, since I don't know how long the battery's going to last, I'm going to fully charge this because it died now. You can use this while charging, so if you set it up with like a portable charger or to an outlet, that way you can use this continuously. And I will also put in this micro SD card so that we can get files off of it. Every phone and tablet has Wi-Fi. And just because you connect your phone wirelessly through Wi-Fi to this does not mean you're using your data or your home network. You do not need live internet. It's just a connection like Bluetooth that you're pairing both of these devices together, and that's what sends the signal so you can see what's happening on here to there. Now I'm going to be putting this in my car, setting it up, but for now we're going to have to charge it and we'll be right back. So you be the judge if you like the quality or not. So in this scene, I'm showing you that the back of it will go onto any car surface that is metal, of course. Not that you'll do this, but I have a mount that you can put this onto as well. And from that position, this is the angle that it gets to see in. So you see it works really nicely. That's my dash cam, and this is the new one that could be you. As you can see, it does not obstruct your view. It's actually out of the way. It looks kind of stealthy that way. And this is a live view from my phone. So if it's forward, I can see. If it's backwards, I can see as a back cam. But again, this is just showing you another surface to metal to metal. That's just within the unit itself. And here I have my camera recording my cell phone. It's like a weird circle inception type of thing there. But you can see that's what it looks like. Really nice to look at through your phone, so you'll know exactly what you're looking at. Although it does show that my beanie is purple, and it's not. It's blue. It's not that great in the color saturation. And I'm showing you both sides of the recording. recordings where it's off my phone and from the straight file itself. So you can see the different colors from my video camera recording my screen versus the actual file that you take off. Just like in this scene, this is the file. Now I do have to mention that this file had to download a different kind of codec to work to edit with my program, so it's a little janky. It does not play that way. It just wanted to work this way on my editor. I don't know why it's all stuttery, but it's not like that when you're watching it, when you're playing it back, is what I'm trying to say. It's not stuttery like that. It's just my video recorder program, Sony Vegas. I need an update, I know. So again, this is just a scene from me driving out in the street using it as a dash cam. Is it sufficeable? That's up to you. Sufficeable, is that a word? Does it suffice? You can place it anywhere in your car. It's super easy to move. And I really like this angle. I wish I can really put a camera here so you can see more of inside. And clearly you can see outside. I don't really need to be all up in the dash windshield. It's a good angle if you wanted to hook it up somehow to be from this so you can see your insides as well. Okay, it's been a few weeks now and I'm on the Pixel 3 XL and you can see that it works just fine. Just as smooth as it did on the iPhone. So this portion is the app here. We can see the no volume so we can hear what's happening. How's it going, YouTube? How's it going, YouTube? How's it going, YouTube? And to start recording, just press that. Recording has started. And you can see that this is to flip the camera. So now my right hand goes to my right side. You can see here. And if we move to this, we'll be upside down. So if you were upside down, you can fix it at least. So that's nice to see. There's some lights going on right here, but if I click on this, now your eyes cannot see these little red infrared lights, but the cameras can pick them up. And it is not the best camera that I've tested for this size, but it's doing the job. But you're definitely going to be able to see what's happening when you're setting this up secretly somewhere because someone's scratching up your car or someone's getting into your refrigerator and stealing all your best stuff. Now, unfortunately, the battery only lasts around 40 minutes when you're using Wi-Fi and recording at the same time. If you just have this set there somewhere, it's going to record for about over an hour without Wi-Fi. But if you want to see what's happening while it's recording, you're going to use a lot more juice. And again, if you have a portable charger or you're going to connect this to your car, just plug in your micro USB cable and you can use this while it's charging. So this is a live video section. If you have other cameras, you can set up as well. Snapshot, that's the photo I just took. Here's the recording and there's an alarm. So you can use this as the motion sensor. You can see the quality looks pretty decent. Battery indicators on the right, it should be green if it's fully charged. Not cover. Alrighty, if you want it for yourself, you already know what to do. Find it in the description down below. And as always, thank you for watching and I will see you guys next time. Later.
Hidden camera charger, USB spy camera, 1080p HD, motion detection with alarm feature. Ideal nanny cam, spy cam. This hidden camera is an ideal choice for keeping your loved ones protected. Checking up on your elderly or kids. Totally portable. Use and record video from anywhere. This camera is not only functional as a surveillance camera, but it is a USB charger as well. This Nanny Cam comes with a free app that is easy to install on your smartphone, laptop or tablet, allowing you to view live streaming anytime you need to. With a 2.4G Wi-Fi, and with our easy design, your camera will be ready and fully set up within minutes. This USB spy camera features 1080p HD image with a high-quality lens, providing real-time video of what's happening in your home. The ultra-wide 150-degree viewing angle provides an optimal range and enhanced visibility, avoiding dead angles. The system has motion detection and push notifications, letting you know when there is motion in your home. This multi-purpose camera is totally portable. Take it with you when you travel or on business trips. This security spy cam has two ways of recording your video, manually or automatically. To record automatically, all your videos can be stored on a micro SD card, up to 128 gigs.
Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you this ZTour U21 micro Wi-Fi camera. So this is the package. Including package, there will be a micro camera, user manual. You see the micro camera, a 14mm micro camera lens, USB port Before using the camera, you have to insert a micro SD card. The camera supports the micro SD card from 8GB to 128GB class 10 with FAT 13.2 thermal. Now, I will show you how to set up the camera. Okay. We pump in a power band. Okay, you will see the blue light and the red light on. Wait for about half a minute, and then the LED lighting will be red only. How to use the camera? First, before using the camera, you have to insert a micro SD card into the camera. Second, you have to pump into a power bank with USB port or a wall charger with USB port. Okay, I will set up a password. And you will see the AP model is done. You can open the speaker. Hello, hello, hello.
Hello, 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 hello.
We will go to set up IP connection. Stop playing. Quick add. Add camera. Quick next. Offset point established. This is our camera. Choose the Wi-Fi around the camera. Enter the password of the Wi-Fi. Comfort. Allow the app to turn on the WLAN, and we will be waiting. Now you will see the blue LED lighting is blue and completes the IP connection. We finished. Click to play. Enter the password. Play it. Okay, finish.
(1080p) Wi-Fi hidden camera alarm clock night vision, motion detection, loop recording wireless security camera for home surveillance. This hidden camera alarm clock is an ideal choice for keeping your loved ones protected, checking up on your elderly, your kids, or simply monitoring your own home. This camera is not only functional as a surveillance camera, but it is also a fully functional alarm clock. Functions perfectly, straight out of the box. Works with all iPhone and Android devices on a completely free downloadable application, free and simple to use. Depending on your monitoring needs, our wireless security camera may be set to capture video footage continuously, or start recording only when motion gets detected. This mini spy camera wireless features the latest motion detection technology which sends an alarm directly to your smartphone when activated. The night vision IR lens makes this cam easily concealed even in the darkness, with a crystal clear 1080 resolution. So stop worrying, get the hidden spy camera, fully functional alarm clock. Hidden camera charger, USB spy camera, 4K Ultra HD. Ideal Nanny Cam, the best spy camera available. This hidden camera is an ideal choice for keeping your loved ones protected, checking up on the elderly, kids, or simply for your own security. Works with all iPhone and Android devices on a completely free downloadable application. Put multiple cameras in your home for a full surveillance of your entire house. This camera is not only functional as a surveillance camera, but it is a USB charger as well. With this spy camera, you're getting incredible quality for the price. Multifunctional, sturdy, and gives some of the best 4K video. Don't settle for lower resolution. This camera surpasses the average home security cam. This mini spy camera features the latest motion detection technology. Push notification sends an alarm directly to your smartphone when activated. The night vision IR lens makes this cam easily concealed even in the darkness, and has incredible quality in low light. This multi-purpose camera is totally portable. Take it with you when you travel, or on business trips. The 166-degree wide angle provides a crystal clear image. This camera has no battery, but it is a plug charger. As long as you plug it in, it will work 24/7, no dead battery. The indicator lights are on when you turn it on. If you think it's too bright, turn the lights off from the application. Simple, easy, reliable. This camera can work without Wi-Fi. Just insert an SD card, turn on the camera, and set the camera to record internally. We offer a 2-year hassle-free warranty, 100% satisfaction guarantee. So stop worrying. Get the hidden camera charger, 4K Ultra HD mini spy camera.